Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be talking about ventilated wig caps versus mesh dome cap. Which is better, which ones do you lot prefer, and so on and so forth. In this video, I have two types of wig caps. So this is the dome style cap. The dome style cap that I use for making wig dome cap. So the mesh dome cap comes in a mesh material, so it is very easy for you to breathe, like for air to be basically transferred onto your scalp once you have your wigs made. It comes in two sizes. We have the medium, which fits from 20 inches to 22-inch head circumference, and the large, which will fit from anything between 23 inches up to 24-25-inch circumference, which is your head measurement. Types of wig caps are used for clients: the mesh dome cap and the ventilated wig cap. So this is the ventilated wig cap, and this ventilated wig cap, a lot of brands on YouTube or wig makers on YouTube have their ventilated wig cap, and I can tell there is some adjustable band at the back which you can basically tighten or loosen depending on how company make our own ventilated cap. So as you can tell, this is quite different from what is out there. Something I realized from the AliExpress ventilated wig caps is that it's not stretchable. Like, you cannot stretch it, you cannot have it snug down, especially if you wanted to make a lace closure wig. It does not snug down like the way the mesh dome cap snugs down when you make closure wigs. Remember, there are two types of wigs. We have the frontal wigs and closure wigs, as well as the 360 frontal wig. So if you are making a closure wig, which is usually a glueless wig, you need your wig cap snug down so that the wig looks as if you've glued it, but no, you haven't. So we decided to go ahead, create our own ventilated wig cap, and as you can see, it's got elastic band and it stretches a bit, but it's not as stretchy as the dome cap, but it does stretch. It comes in two sizes for the head shapes, which is 24-inch circumference and 22 inches. This is 22 inches circumference, and this 22-inch circumference can fit heads from 20, 21, 22. This is a medium. We have put medium on the label here. This is a medium. So once you go for the 22-inch wig side, it is a medium. And whenever clients purchase wigs from our website, we do email every customer of ours to make sure they measure their head circumference and let us know whether we're going to be using the medium, which is the ventilated wig caps, or the large. So two types of wig caps: the dome wig cap, mesh dome wig cap. We use these on our website. This is the original one, which is the mesh dome cap, so that at least your wigs can breathe, at least air can penetrate into your scalp for your blood to circulate. And we have the ventilated wig cap. So our clients usually ask which ones do we prefer, or which one should they go for. They are confused. It depends. When we are making closure wigs, it depends on the client. We usually use the mesh dome cap. The mesh dome cap is the same brand, the same texture. The only difference is that everything is made of a mesh material. So when you make the wigs, air can penetrate through our client's scalp. And the ventilated wig cap. The ventilated wig cap, some customers want to scratch their scalp, so they're able to put their hands through their wig and scratch. Unlike the mesh dome cap, air will penetrate, but it will be difficult to penetrate. So it depends on what the clients prefer. If the client just wants a snug look, regardless, then we will use the mesh dome cap because air will definitely penetrate through their scalp. But if our clients want to be able to scratch their scalp, then we will use the ventilated wig cap. They're both really good, so it depends on the client. And once the purchase is made, we do email our customers to ask which wig cap they prefer, whether they prefer the mesh dome cap or the ventilated wig cap. The ventilated wig cap is really great for frontal, fittings, because with the frontal we cut almost half of the front off after the wig is made, and the rest at the back, it looks more on the professional side. Once the wig is made, it looks more on the professional side when you use ventilated wig cap. I love both. At the moment, I have a 5x5 inch, 8-inch handmade bob wig. I will put a link of this wig in my description box as well, and I use the ventilated wig cap because a lot of my customers on my YouTube channel wanted to know how the ventilated wig cap is basically used, or how to make a wig using a ventilated wig cap, a tutorial. Can it, because most clients or most on YouTube use the sewing machine. They wanted to ask, for us that cannot use the sewing machine, because there are a lot of people on YouTube that cannot use the sewing machine, can we use the hand method, like sewing with a needle and a thread using your hand? It takes more time, but the job is done. Yes, you can do that, and I have a video tutorial explaining step by step how to make a wig using ventilated wig cap and also using a needle and thread. So video tutorial coming soon. So at the end of the day, our company uses 2 wig caps, which is ventilated wig cap and the mesh dome cap. With the mesh dome cap, air can penetrate through your scalp, and with the ventilated wig cap, once the wig is made, this plastic peels off. Once you make your wig, this plastic here will be peeled off, and once it's peeled off, there's a lot of spaces in between and you can scratch your scalp. So overall, my personal opinion, I love both. One is not better than the other. This gives the very tight, snug look once the wig is made, and it looks as if you've glued it. And this is very, very good for frontals. I recommend, if you're making a frontal wigs, I recommend the ventilated wig cap. And if you're using closures, making closure wig, I recommend the mesh dome cap because it is breathable and air can penetrate through the client's scalp. Hope this video was very, very informative. I will leave the link of our website, which is the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, if you're looking for raw hair bundles. I also have a coupon code for you viewers, which is my name, Atibor20. Use this at checkout to get 20% off your entire purchase. I'll see you viewers in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.